Hello everyone, my name is Alexandria. I work as a naturalist for the Mercer County Park Commission at the Tulpahacking Nature Center. Have you ever spent a long time looking at insects? They're pretty cool. Each different type of insect behaves differently from the next. While listening to the lyrical poem Step Gently Out, written by Helen Frost, you should take time to look at the close-up photographs of insects taken by Rick Leader. Step gently out. Be still and watch a single blade of grass. An ant climbs up to look around. A honeybee flies past. A cricket leaps and lands, then sits back and sings. A moth flies in and comes to rest with open wings. A spider spins a silken thread and steps across the air. A praying mantis looks at you. Do you know she's there? Balanced lightly on a leaf, bathed in golden light. Flashing, look, I'm over here, as evening turns to night. The creatures shine with stardust. They're splashed with morning dew. In song and dance and stillness, they share the world with you. I hope you liked today's children's nature story, the poem Step Gently Out. See you next time. For our family share activity, make a magic telescope. All you need is a toilet paper tube and crayons or markers. First, decorate your toilet paper tube. Then, go outside and while standing still, place the magic telescope to your eye. Try to focus on insects, such as a bee on a flower, an ant on the ground, or a beetle on a log. Take a good long look and watch what the insect is doing. Pretty cool, right? Remember, you need to be very still to use the magic telescope. It does not work if you are walking or running. Try using your magic telescope at dusk, just before it gets dark outside. What other kinds of insects do you see now? Have fun!